waterfall number 2. It is 180 feet. That's Grayson. Golden. Buddy boy. Okay, so
Hi.
we are all kind of, yeah, whatever. Okay, well, it's like, what are they called again?
What?
What are they called? Something Blanca waterfall.
Yeah, some kind of Blanca waterfall.
It's like something Blanca, and it's like white magic is what it means. So look at that.
Look at the forest that they mix, like on the bottom. It's freaking like
Gigantic.
yeah.
And those are so high. We were all the way up there. It's very big. And then we came down here. And now we're gonna throw. Wait, who do I not like now? Now we're gonna throw Grayson in the river. I said who do I not like right now? And he volunteered himself. Okay. I think that's it. Go away, Adam. I'm just watching it. I was Grayson, I promise. Okay. I can take a video if you want. Take a horse. No, it's like camera. Yeah. Oh. Okay. So there's everywhere. Hey, what about me? Hi. Okay. Oh, great. There's going to be a video of me saying, I'll take a picture of you. Okay. Well,
she's in like really dorky blue glasses. Abby.
Alright, sorry if it's a little fuzzy because there's water on the lens. Okay. Well, thank you, Adam.
Is it okay if I get it wet? Because I can like stick my hand right now.
That's okay. It won't make any difference. Okay. So anyway, we'll see you next, like probably, I don't know, wherever we are going to be tomorrow. Okay, bye.